This week's fragrance is from House of Sillage, and it is the scent Benevolence. This is my first and only House of Sillage fragrance. First, the packaging really quick. House of Sillage has their signature cupcake packaging where the fragrance literally looks like a bedazzled jewelry cupcake. Benevolence says Benevolence on top here, and then the lid is studded with little crystals, and the juice inside is this beautiful ambery gold color. And then when you open it, inside it says House of Sillage and then Benevolence right there. As for the actual fragrance, it's totally addicting. That's the first thing I think of. It is feminine, it is sweet, it is sexy. It smells kind of like candy, but the powdery hard candy where like a Necco candy or Pez, but the outside, not a baby powder powderiness. It is a sweet almond kind of powderiness where I think there are bitter almond notes. There's vanilla, there's orange blossom, which is just so gorgeous. Paired with sugar, there's a hint of citrus too, so you get a little bit of a zing to it. In fact, to me, it almost kind of comes off as a slightly boozy scent. There are no boozy notes in here, but something about the vanilla, there's like a star anise component, and then the bitter almond reminds me of a boozy note, like a liqueur kind of effect to it. And it's so delicious. It is very long wearing. I always spray my fragrances on my clothing. It just gives me more longevity. And also I don't want to irritate or cause aging because most fragrances have alcohol in them. This is also a phenomenal scent to mix in with other fragrances. I really love mixing this in with Kilian Straight to Heaven, anything really woody or kind of the opposite of this kind of a scent. So something with leather, something with tobacco, something really woody, just is so beautiful with the orange blossom, the sugar, the vanilla. There is a slight spice to it, which makes it a unique gourmand, but it's so delicious. You want to keep smelling this scent. To me, if this was a person, she's someone who you want to get to know. You want to be close to her. You want to be friends with her. You want to go out with her. You want to get to know her. She genuinely wants to get to know you. She has that personality that just kind of draws you in. She's fun-loving. She's easy to spend time with, easy to talk to, really non-judgmental. And she doesn't really care what other people think about her. She does what she wants. She wears what she wants. She's happy the way she is. That orange blossom and all those other notes, it's just so intoxicating. It's like feminine, but still sophisticated. It's kind of similar to Love from Kilian, but still different. I think that orange blossom and the bitter almond really separate it from Love, where it gives it a little more depth. And there's something a little bit warmer and richer there at the base. It's a stunning fragrance. If you've tried any of the House of Sillage scents, please let me know what your favorites are in the comments below, because now I really am interested in trying more from the brand, but there are so many House of Sillage scents. So if anyone has suggestions, please let me know in the comments. But until my next video, thank you as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.